Melissa and Nikki here. I am on another amazing Disney adventure. Imagine that. Well, today I'm here for the Princess 10K, and we have checked into Animal Kingdom Savannah View Club Level Room. So we are going to be in 4411. We've already been up to the Kilimanjaro Lounge. Please look at the tour, the YouTube video of the tour of the club. It has been amazing. And along with the club level, we have this beautiful room, Savannah View, that I want to show you. It is a 2-queen room and all the amenities it offers, and then you'll also see a lot of the club level this week. So stay tuned and let's go tour this amazing room. Love the details on the room. And as always, let's go in, let's sweep through all of the room, and then let's go back and look at the details. Amazing. It's such a beautiful room, and we have really enjoyed spending a lot of time at the club lounge and in the room and just enjoying all that it has to offer. So these are our 2-queen rooms, club level, Savannah View. Here's the headboard. And we've got lights here, we've got plugs, we've got granite, which is very nice. I love that you can put your luggage underneath the bed. We've got hardwood floors. And here is our little desk and chair, our mirror. And Disney always likes to leave me a little gift. Thank you, Disney. Yes, I love to tour your rooms and share with all my guests. Thank you so much. We're glad to be here. And this is a welcome because we are in the club level concierge. And they gave us a cute little white chocolate gift along with a note that tells of all the offerings of the club, and you can find that in a separate video. It'll be featured soon. We have our chest of drawers here, flat screen TV, lots of plugs for your electronics. And we've already been to the expo today for the Princess half. We've got our Spirit jersey, so you can see that in there. So you've got 6 great drawers if you need it for all of your clothes. And then we have, I like these. Let's put some lights here. We have uplights, sconces, we have ceiling, and then good night turns them all off. I love that. That's so nice. And there's your side table with a drawer. We have our wonderful remote control that has been cleaned, and I love the Disney music. Let's turn on some Disney music on our flat screen TV. Yay! So nice. And again, I just love the headboards here, the detailing, the wood carving. And if you notice above, you've got all of the molding, which is awesome. And then I'm seeing some more artwork here. We've got some basket weaving. And then over here we have a piece of stone. That's so pretty. And then, okay, let's look. We have a coffee area. So we have a single Keurig. All right, single Keurig. And you want to know, yeah, what does that come with? Well, let's look here. We have lots of coffee. We have green tea. We have English breakfast tea, 2 decafs, and then 2, 4, 6 regular, along with Coffee Mate, lids, sugar, sweet and low, and to-go cups. So you should be set. And then we have an ice bin there with cups. Now, one difference, if you watched my video of the regular room we stayed in last night that was not club level, you didn't find all the waters. So we found that all of our waters in our refrigerator were stocked, which is very nice. And of course, you can bring all of your drinks down from club level as well. Your sodas and wine and beer and whatever you have. So here is our closet. So we have lots of storage. I've noticed in both of the rooms we've stayed in this time at Animal Kingdom Lodge, we've had a steamer. That's pretty cool. And we have our safety vault here, so you can just put your coat in. And there are some hangers for your clothes. And there's our Run Disney shirts. We got those today at the expo. And our extra pillows and blankets, and they are always closed with the extra seal to know that you have complete cleaning from us at Disney. And this is a room that will connect, so if you need to have more than 4 guests, we can book a connecting room for your family, and then you can walk in between the two. I love to do this when my kids are with me. Now here's the big barn doors with the full length mirror. This will close. I love that. If you have an early riser, they can get ready, close the door while you're still sleeping, and then open it back up. And here you have the beautiful bathroom, and we have 2 sinks. We have a hair dryer, so that's a must. I see here that we have towels and Hakuna Matata. We also have a makeup mirror that is lighted, which is beautiful. And then we have our plugs here, regular plugs. We have tissues. We have granite here, which is nice. H2O products. Awesome. We have oil rub bronze fixtures. They're beautiful. We have tissues. We have washcloths, and look at the beautiful mirror detailing. So pretty. Now this is a tub shower. The one, the room we stayed in yesterday was a stand-up shower. So that is something that we absolutely can request when we book your Animal Kingdom Lodge stay. Let me know if you want a tub or if you would prefer a stand-up shower as you saw in the last video, and I can definitely request that for you. Here is shampoo, body wash, conditioner, oil rub bronze shower head, rain shower, and then there's also an handheld shower, which is nice. There's our potty. And then we have more towels and toilet paper and tissue there. Awesome. And there's where your robe can stay. Very nice. Or your towels. And this is a Savannah view room. So I'm going to, tonight is dark. It's after 10. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what it looks like at night. And then I'll come back in the morning and show you again what it looks like in the daytime. But we have 2 chairs, we have a table, and there's lots of space. We plan on having coffee out here in the morning and wine at night, so we are really set. This is awesome. We can hear the music going. Guests are looking out on the Savannah. It's amazing. For your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa and Mickey. It would be my pleasure to assist your family and create a magical vacation for you. Contact me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. See you real soon.